How to deposit money from eBay. So in this video, I will show you how to transfer your eBay seller earnings to your bank account in 2025. So make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. Log into your eBay account through the app or browser. Step 2. Tap on My eBay and go to Payments or Seller Hub. Then step 3, under the payment section, you will see your available balance and upcoming payouts. Step 4, then eBay automatically send your funds to your linked bank account, usually on a daily or weekly basis. Step 5, to receive your money faster, tap on the payout settings and then select request now if the option is available. Step 6. To update or change your bank details, go to payment options and edit your account info. Step 7. The funds typically appear in your bank within 1 to 3 business days after the payout is rent. And then, that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.